Hello everyone. So today is kind of a big day for me because I'll actually be towing my MR2 to the shed, and also you can see behind me I've got my engine all loaded up too. So right now I'm just gonna go get the trailer from U-Haul, and then we'll get the MR2 loaded up on the trailer. Alright, you guys feeling strong?
Yes, he had a bagel.
He had a bagel for breakfast? Okay, so we got the U-Haul trailer. Now there's no engine in here, so we gotta push this thing up there. We already got tired just pushing out of the driveway.
A little flat tire. Man.
I know. Tire's flat.
Oh.
So we already screwed up. Scratched up my lip.
Well, the thing's huge, by the way.
Yeah. So we gotta pull the thing off, and then it should be able to make it up these ramps. Lucky the damage wasn't that bad, huh?
Did it do anything?
Just a little bit of scratching. It's all on the bottom side.
Splitter or lip.
It's fine, you're not gonna see it. Alright, let's get it up on a trailer.
Oh no! Oh, it's up here.
Oh, that's why.
You gotta take off this flare because it's hidden right down here. Pretty durable flares. What were they?
Wood sport.
Nice.
What, wheel specs?
Wheel specs?
Don't worry about it.
That's top secret info. Redline. These wheel specs?
Alright, it is all strapped down. And you know you gotta say it. It's not going anywhere. Foreigner is squatting in the back too. You should be like 2 inches taller than this. Yeah, we'll see how it does. You know, I know the MR2 is supposed to be on the trailer backwards, but there's no engine in the car, so it doesn't even matter. You know, weight distribution. Anyways, let's get going.
It's pretty low on the back.
Slam Society.
Okay, let's go.
Stance Nation.
Made it. So you're taking this back, huh?
Should I trailer him back?
Dude, it runs. Why not drive it? I think Ling wants to drive it. Huh?
You can drive it if you want to, but then how are you gonna get back?
Just leave the car here. Leave your MR2 here. So, MR2 is going here. This is going back home.
The Foreigner's a beast. It was really unexpected. Like it pulled uphill, it braked really. I don't know. I was expecting it to be so slow, but it was almost like there's nothing even there.
So it's the same no matter what you load into it. It's just slow.
It'll just be slow, but no, I was doing like 70 miles per hour on the freeway just fine.
You're doing 70? We were doing like 55.
Well, I was doing 55 on that trailer.
Dang. Breaking all the rules.
No, there's that one spot that I got to 70, but for the most part I stayed around 60.
Sick.
But still, that's a really good test.
And you made it here. Car didn't fly off.
The rear end's kind of saggy though. Maybe I should get some airbags for it. Here, let's check it out.
is loaded up too.
Yeah, I had all the stuff. The engine, the cherry picker, the engine stand, plus a bunch of parts, and the car just also loaded up with stuff.
Did it, huh? It can do it.
One of the best things I bought ever. This stupid Foreigner.
Yeah, because you're able to do this stuff.
Yeah.
You keep buying small, stupid cars.
Yeah. I like this thing.
Alright.
Highly recommend a 3rd gen Foreigner for anyone that wants something like this. Mint.
Not a Montero, huh?
Stupid Andre has a Montero. Pajero, as he calls it. And he talks the thing up so much. It's alright, look. He talks it up so much.
Okay.
Anyways, let's get this thing unloaded. Actually, we gotta pull the Z out first. Get the MR2 in.
Then take this stuff out.
And then take all this stuff out.
Yeah, take this
Then
off
you gotta
first.
take this off too. Okay.
Well, can you unload it without this being off?
Well, I need the cherry picker to get the engine out.
Okay. Okay. Well, let's start.
It's in. The first broken car in the shop.
So it's gonna go right over here
It's gonna go right back
in the
there.
back. Where it awaits paint, engine, everything.
Everything.
Okay. Guess you need to drop off the engine here too.
Yeah. I think I'll be a lot more motivated to work on it here instead of at home. I think there's an actual space to do it. You know what I mean?
Know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, sure. We did all this at home.
And yeah, we did all that at home, but we did it all in a small garage. And I'm just not really motivated to work in this tiny space.
Okay.
I say that, but the engine bay in this car is small.
Got the engine out.
It's out.
Nice, throw it in there. Pretty much. Nah, you're still waiting on a few more parts.
Just a few more parts. But look at that. Look at this pretty engine.
So nice, huh? Looks alright.
Better than when I got it.
Wow. I guess so.
Okay. Watch her smash the car.
Hey guys, so we started already, but we're starting to tear down the 510.
Looks better already.
Sam just showed up. We just moved the MR2 here. Started taking these fender bolts off, and all of them broke. So
0 out of 8.
I don't think we took one that like even went out. So
It's weird how they spun. They spun like really nice and then it just snapped.
yeah, it just like snapped.
Like, oh, it's working. Nope. And they all did that.
Practical time.
So yeah, so probably take the front end off and then tackle the interior. What are you looking for, Sam?
Checking out the bolts.
Huh?
Something to say, huh? Some kind of things over there.
Just sizing up the job.
Alright, so I've been gone for a couple of hours, and this is what I come back to.
Bunch of broken bolts.
I went through the same thing with my Z. All these snapped bolts.
It's everywhere.
Every single one?
Every single one.
It's not just on the fender.
Ask me how many bolts I got for my fender now.
How many do you have total?
2.
2 bolts intact.
Wait. Oh, right here. There you go.
Oh no.
Oh my god. This is just what you gotta go
This is
through.
the Project Car life.
This is normal.
It's not in the final form. Jeez.
See that wheel?
This isn't the final form.
Missing a hood. It's missing headlights. It's power pump. But before we even had the space.
Calling it a day with the 510.
Yeah, half the damn bolts broke off.
90%.
Yeah, like every single bolt snapped off. So we got it soaked in the PV blaster,
Not to mention one stop.
and hopefully it'll come off easily without us having to drill it out or cut it out. So we'll come back to this in a week or two.
So if anybody got Bluebird fenders, hit this guy up.
And a door. What else I need?
SR20. Oh shit, never mind. K20.
Beat that out. Beat that out. Beat that out.
Hey, beep!
Comment what color I should paint this. And what motor.
I already know the build.
I know the wheels.
I got your whole build list in my head already.
I know what accent color is.
Dang, Sam. You just missed the garbage can so bad.
I didn't miss it over here. The straw launched out of the cup, okay? It was different.
So yeah, 510 will leave for now. And the MR2, I actually want to paint the engine bay. I don't know how many times I've said this already. But
Damn, you shot it all the way over there?
Bro, they fucking launched
anyways, I need to paint this engine bay, and you can see it's got 30 years of dirt and grime built up in here. So that is my next big project for this guy, before I can actually even throw the engine in. Are we done here?
Yeah.
Done for now?
Clocking out.
Clocking out. I did what I want to do today. All I want to do is just bring the car and the engine over here. And did a little work on the 510.
It's separated.
Yeah. I guess that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.